For all viewers of Headlines Today, we are taking you from the election war room to the election info center, where Ruchika is joining me. Ruchika, you have some latest pictures coming in. Go ahead.
That's right. Apart from polling that is on for the sixth phase, the big news today is Narendra Modi's nomination, and we're getting the latest pictures in right now from Varanasi. You can see a saffron surge. If yesterday it was a day when we saw a sea of white caps in Varanasi as Arvind Kejriwal filed his nomination, today is the day when you see BJP workers out in full force and full strength, lending out support to Narendra Modi, who we believe has just landed in Varanasi. We'll be playing out those visuals for you shortly, but let's just tell our viewers first that Narendra Modi, BJP's prime ministerial candidate, has now landed in Varanasi. We'll be bringing you the first pictures to you from the temple town, which is going to be the seat of this heated electoral battle. It's a high-profile contest this time around. We have this entire schedule of Narendra Modi before us. He was supposed to land much earlier, but his flight has just landed from Varanasi airport. He is now, in fact, going to move to BHU. He's going to take a chopper to BHU, from where his Rath Yatra, his election movement will begin. And he will then move towards the collectorate's office, where he will be filing his nomination papers. So a day in Varanasi today, the poll capital, as it were, of this elections is going to be full of all the color. A saffron surge, as we can see. He's first going to garland some of the key personalities who have shaped the destiny of this famous temple town, and thereafter he's going to proceed a large gathering of BJP supporters who have come today to Varanasi to display this show of strength. Back to you, Maharu.